10 seconds on the shot clock. Libre sa gitna. Sa pinpuya sa atin ang mga taga-Barangay Masikap. Jumper by Romanela, ang Barangay Matahimik. Kontra sa team ng Barangay Masikap. Grabe na yung mga moves ng ating mga player. What an magandang gabi. Welcome tayo, bosses up. Time is on. Let's get it on. Let's play again some basketball. Barangay Matahimik. Yung dating long hair, ngayon po ay nagpagupit na rin mga kaibigan. Cortez outside. A jumper. Bang! 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 3 points! Unang si number 9. Eugenio 9 at the line. Eugenio na pumasok mga kaibigan para sa part ng barangay po ng Matahimik. Laso na final free throw by Eugenio with jersey number 9. Good for 2 points. 2-3 ating their first game. And Palacion kick out inside Jay. Good for 2 points. 2 puntos. Yun na, simulating unang bakbakan for open division. 6 against 3 score. Yun lang una lang kanina ang team ng Barangay Masikap. Pero ngayon, lumalamang na po ng tatuhan. This time, good for 2 points for Barangay Masikap. Yun na nga po itong team ng Barangay Masikap. Barangay Masikap, mukhang naging masipag din po ay under penalty na. With 4 minutes and 23 seconds to go. Last na final free throw by Kuyo. Good for 2 points. And the 2 free throws. Thank you for watching. Magmano the SK Chairman, long 3-pointer. In and out there. Kuyo recovered that ball and put back. Ginagamit yung pagiging malaki nitong Kuyo at mga galawan ng katawan pag nagpapalitan. 3 minutes and 4 seconds to go. 10 against 5 score. 5 puntos ang abante. At Magbanwa, Pega, bang, 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 3 points! Team ng Barangay Masikap, Cortez. Itong kulot, titingnan po natin kung makakadampot. Kodana jumper for 2 points. Kodana, Pega, 2 points in. 13 against 7. Down by 6 points ang abante. Deflect, Mark Madamay, pinagkatiwala mga kaibigan kay jersey number 9. And one open, Kuyo number 20 sa kanyang teritoryo. Bingo by Kuyo. At ngayon, isa sa mga veterano natin manlalaro. Numero 9, under attack, puts it up for 2 points. Eugenio, good for 2 points. And the 2 points pocket by Eugenio. Pinasabay pa yung defender. But inside Jay, good for 2 points by Kuya Jay. 9 to shoot. Mark Madamay pegs away. Short shot by Mark Madamay. 40 siglit mga kaibigan for the second and first quarter. Good for 2 points by Kuyo. 14 seconds left. Cortez, fake pass sa bandang Bakri. Dinirekta. Good for 2 points by Cortez. Bigyan po tayo ng magandang panahon para mapanood. Ito po ang ating last in the final game. Ang battle begin outside jumper. Kaboom! Bang! 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 3 points! And the 3 points play was brought to us by Honorable SK Chairman Juan Miguel. But outside jumper, sabi nitong Masikap, marami din kami niyan. 3 points! Unti-unti na pong nagbabatuhan ng tatluhan sa ating ikalawang yugto na paglalaro. Mark Madamay, hahanap ng damay. Good for 2 points. And the 2 points pasasok na ang Barangay Matahimik kontra sa team ng Barangay Masikap. Grabe na yung mga moves ng ating mga player. What a nice simple para pocket. Good for 2 points by Kuya. Tamang tayong tatlong segment para sa ating shot clock. 6 minutes and 23 seconds to go. Kuya, itong Kuya J and Mark Madamay short. Recovering and put back. Mark Madamay. Kontra nga dito sa Barangay Masikap. Last and a final free throw. Good for 1 by Birondo. And the 2-7 na mga taga-Barangay Masikap. 5 minutes and 28, Morales Jomar, walang pahara-hara sa kanyang sariling bahay. Good for 2 points, Jomar Morales! Thank you so much. Halimaw rebound from Romanillos, extra pass. Ang malagji ni Alapag, kakalampag, kabasang, good for 2 points. Ang mga Cortez para po sa tropa. Magbanwa, going for Kuya Jomar Morales, sa laksa, 2 points. Situation, Barangay Matahimik. Di Barangay Matahimik, nasa warning for penalty situation na po sila for the second quarter. And Baloyas, good for 2 points. Baloyas, sabihin po yan sa atin ang mga taga-Barangay Masikap. Jumper by Romanillos, good for 2 points. Kabansag, bandang Wakali, sinibak po Romanillos. Hahanap ng anggulo, pero pilit siyang ginugulo. Romanillos with the reverse. Nice move! Selke smooth play with the reverse. 2 puntos pa rin ang abante ng Matahimik laban sa team ng Masikap. Last in the final free throw, knocks it in. Good for 36. in favor by 11 points by Barangay Matahimik laban sa Masikap. Lasin na power free throw. Yes sir. Wala po nagsasabing guwapo kayo. Mag-shoutout po kayo. Sabihin nyo, binabati ko po. 14 seconds reset on the shot clock. Number 14, 2 personal fouls. And first team foul, Mark Madamay. Good for 2 points at may sumabit. Good for... Yeah, from Riyadh, Saudi Arabia daw. Magandang gabi kay Yamago. Magandang gabi po. From Saudi Arabia. So on the shot clock. 18 seconds on the shot clock. Jumper, Mark Madamay. Magandang gabi. Kay referee Dong Tugna. First free throw, good for 1. Bati natin si boss referee Dong Tugna. Watching po ngayon, isa sa mga referee natin from basketball ng Barangay Matahimik laban sa team ng Masikap. Perimeter shot by Cortez. No good by Cortez. Put back by Shosi. No good again by Shosi. 5 minutes and 10 seconds to go. Put back by Cortez. Good for 2 points. Matahimik basketball. 4 minutes and 10. Good for 2 points. Barangay Matahimik, Mark Madamay. Total foul and warning for a penalty situation for Barangay Masikap. Eugenio attempt for 3. No good. And put back. Puyo. Naksiri. Natin ng oras. Cortez. Pinagkatiwala. And a jumper. Shosi. Ayaw pa rin talagang tanggapin yung mga tira nitong Shosi. Samantalang Philippine na tira. Good for 2 points. At may kasama pang foul. The Shosi last in a final free throw. Bonus shot for Shosi. Shosi last in a foul free throw. Basketball count. Score po natin, 2 digit or nasa 2 digit yung kalamangan ng Barangay Matahimik. Jomar Morales, ganda ng atake. Hindi man bumasket yung unang serving, but the same Masikap. And Kamansag, ang mala Jimmy Alapag, kakalampagin yung defender. But Puyo to the rescue. Another bingo. Score po natin, 52-30. 2 minutes and 3 seconds to go. Kamansag number 4. Inside pass. Puyo. Naksirin. 54-30. Double team 10 seconds on the shot clock. Nalibre sa gitna. Jay! 2 points. Ang simpatikong kombinasyones and Derek, pero may basketball tayo kahit papano. Bukas po yan. Abangan lang po kung may schedule ang ating Ponga Volleyball. Outside jumper. Cortez. Bang! 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 3 points! As break patungo sa Barangay Masikap, makukuha ng Eugenio. Abay nag-switch pa sa ere. Good for 2 points by Eugenio. Isang niyo yung team. Pero akalain yung kinabutan pa ng penalties. Itong nasa team ng Barangay Matahimik. Daker, first free. Saglit, 2 seconds remaining. Good for 2 points. Basketball kay Masikap. Kabilang banda, Kabansag the veterans going for the big ball. Jomar Morales. 60 again. Team ng Barangay Matahimik. 6 minutes and 43. Jumper for 2 points. Cortez. Basketball in. Walang mintes sa tiradang Cortez. Cortez from the top of the window. Inside J. Number 17. Pudana. Abay unti-unting naniningil ng paupa sa team ng mga naghaharing Barangay Matahimik. 6 minutes and 12. Puyo, dadagdag ng sakit ng ulo laban sa team ng Barangay. 5 minutes and 1 second remaining time. No good by Sir Jomar. No good again. May putback. Jomar Morales. Good for 2 points. 64 against 42. Ng Barangay Prinsesa at ng ating pong manager G. Lau. Jumper for 2 points. Yes sir. By Daker 14 ng Barangay Masikap. Okay, meron pang mga minutes. Pero binabati po natin pinakamatapang ng Barangay Matahimik ha. Yung naglalakad-lakad na walang damit pero hindi lasing si Boss Pasi. Jumper for 2 points. 14 ng Masikap, 47. 6 na kami mga kaibigan, 14 ng Barangay Matahimik. And wide open. Good for 2 points. Baluyas, kahit pa paano nakabawas, nakabanti nitong matapang Facebook Live. Babasahin po natin lagi yan. Shosi na out of balance, 3, walang kalaban. Romanillos, good for 2 points again. 3 minutes. Kabansag, Jomar Morales, jumper for 2-pointer. Dugod by Jomar Morales. Rebound and putback, Jomar Morales. Itong na mga nasa home team ng Barangay Matahimik. Laban sa mga taga-Barangay Masikap with 2 minutes and 9 seconds to go. Jomar Morales sa first free throw, good for 1. Pinakamalaki ang matapang dito sa Barangay Matahimik, si Boss Pasing. Last in a final free throw by Morales. Good. 49 against 72 score in favor team Barangay Matahimik. Good for 2 points. Pasok na naman 14 ng Barangay Masikap. 51-7 remaining 1 minute and 43. 16 seconds on the shot clock. No good. And rebound and put back. Good for 2 points. Jomar Morales. Ang nalalabi para sa ating fourth quarter. Good for 2 points by Mark Madamay. And the 2 points, 76 against 51. Okay, maraming salamat sa kay Sir George Magbanwa. Good by Shosi. 52 seconds to go. Romanillos, stop and shot. Good for 2 points. Romanillos for Barangay Matahimik. Bandang kanan. Medyo napalakas naman mula kay Shosi. Jomar Morales, number 28. Stop and a jumper for 3. Jomar Morales. Bang! 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 3 points! And the 3 points play was brought to us by Honorable Punong Barangay Ryan Abuene. Now in the final quarter, 3 points by Daker. 23 seconds is already off. Daker good for 2 points. 9.5 seconds to go. 50.